Today for the Bitcoin price, we will talk about Bitcoin and the fact that Bitcoin is right now not only completing the reaccumulation stage, but also why one specific on-chain indicator which never failed in the 10 or 11 years price action history of Bitcoin points towards the fact that this reaccumulation stage is now coming to an end and that Bitcoin is off to the races within the next 12 to 18 months. We will talk exactly about that. So guys, definitely make sure you take a seat, make sure you smash up the like button right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris. And as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And we are here on the daily chart of the BLX Brave New Coin. And what you can see is that we have two kind of arrows pointing to the downside. You have the red one and the green one. The red one actually points towards the most bearish times here, where we always, like you can see it right here, right there also in 2015, and especially right here in February, January 2019, where we found the bear market bottom. Well, the most important one in this chart here is the green arrow here. And this one points towards the end of the reaccumulation stages. As you are aware of it, every single cycle has a bear market bottom, a washout period, then a run up, a reaccumulation stage, and then the parabolic bull run. And there's one specific indicator we are about to show you right now, which points towards the fact that we are in the cycle of the Bitcoin price exactly on the verge of leaving the reaccumulation stage. So actually exactly where we were here in the end of 2012 before we were actually off to the races, or exactly right here where we were in August, September, November, October in 2016 before. Well guys, I mean, you know what happened afterwards, right? So right now, zooming in a little bit, we are here in January 2020 with the Bitcoin price, and this arrow here, it points to the downside for a very important reason. And this is what we are going to show you right now. Probably you all heard about the Bitcoin difficulty ribbon from Willy Woo. And this one actually has moving averages for the Bitcoin difficulty. As you know, the difficulty is the difficulty of the math the miners have to fulfill to mine the blocks. And as the price action goes south, as you can see it also right here in December 2018, January 2019, of course, miners capitulate because some miners are not mining profitable anymore. That's why we have a lower hash rate, and if there's a lower hash rate, also of course the difficulty increases. And when the difficulty increases, you can see this nice difficulty ribbon always expanding in bull markets and then compressing in bear markets, as you can see it here. And there's one important fact: in each and every cycle, bull and bear market, you can basically see whenever Bitcoin crashes to the downside right here, or also right here in 2014 or before in 2012, miners sell their equipment, they are capitulate, or they just turn it off, and basically the difficulty decreases and we can see this kind of compression. Well, there's one important fact. After this compression, after this minus capitulation, we can always see, let's go back into the charts, we can always see that there is one run up after the capitulation stage. Here in 2012, Bitcoin price runs up and then we are going into the reaccumulation stage. Same in the next bull market. Bitcoin price just jumps through the roof, actually 200% in that specific bull market. Reaccumulation stage, the next, and that's very important, the next minus capitulation, and then once they capitulate, we are off to the races. And there's one important thing which points towards the fact that the exact same thing is going to happen right now again. So if we are going right now in this one here, you can basically see that, let's zoom in the first cycle, the difficulty ribbon compressed, okay? Price jumped to the upside. Reaccumulation stage, and here, that's the most important thing. Look at the second cycle. We have another compression of the minus difficulty. That means we have in the second reaccumulation stage another minus capitulation. And look what happened afterwards. Same right here. Minus capitulation, ribbon compresses, then the price jumps to the upside, minus jump back in, and very important, a second reaccumulation stage, a second minus capitulation, and only afterwards we had the parabolic run up, which actually lasted 1.5 years. And right now, in that exact moment, the Bitcoin price finds itself actually, and that's the most important point here, in the second part of the minus capitulation. We have a reaccumulation stage. So you saw actually our, hopefully, bear market bottom right here, minus capitulation, ribbon compresses, then another run up, miners turn on the mining equipment again. We can see how the ribbon actually expands once again, and As always, I mean, guys, the psychology always works the same. These mechanics just seem not to change so far. And we can see for the second time the ribbon compressing in that exact moment. So, and also going back in time, guys, look at the last cycles. Always, when we were about to compress, that was already the moment when the Bitcoin price was already leaving the reaccumulation stage. So this one is a little bit lagging, but we can take actually advantage of that right now. And however, guys, there is a very important fact, because Willy Woo actually pointed out just a few weeks ago in December that there is a second thing also pointing towards that. We talked about that on our channel before when we talked about the Litecoin as a leading indicator. It was actually this video right here. You can watch it if you haven't watched it. It is highly recommended. And this investors activity, which we covered for Litecoin as a leading indicator for Bitcoin, guys, by the way, Bitcoin rose. Actually, Bitcoin had a crazy pump after we released that video. Well, you can see here, this on-chain investors activity works the same for Bitcoin. And what we can see right here is that we always, in every single cycle, we have on the number one here, the first trend reversal. Investors activity goes up. Keep in mind also the ribbon expands again. Reaccumulation stage, it is expanded, and then the reaccumulation stage where the ribbon compresses once again, and also the investors activity goes up once again. So we have the investors activity, the on-chain investors activity, and we have the difficulty ribbon, both pointing towards the fact that the Bitcoin price right now in that exact moment, we are not talking about 15-minute candles or hourly candles. We are not talking about that the Bitcoin price is not maybe dumping tomorrow. We are here talking about the mid-run. We are here talking about the next 12 to 18 months. And we have two important, never failing on-chain indicators pointing towards the fact that this reaccumulation stage right now is coming towards an end. Very important, guys. Everyone watching, let us know right now in the poll, which is popping up on top of the screen right now. Do you think that the Bitcoin price is now in the end of the reaccumulation stage, and that the massive bull run is actually coming within the next 12 or 18 months? Say yes or no, or leave your specific solution in the comment section down below. Also, guys, very important, we are very grateful. Within our last videos, we always get like 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 likes. Thank you so much for your support, guys. We are so happy about every single like of yours, guys. Extremely happy. Also, every comment, you can see it. Basically, we are trying to answer every single comment. So thanks for your engagement on that videos. It really, really helps. Our channel gets so much momentum, and it's great to see the MMCrypto community growing so fast. You probably already know our Twitter account, link in the description and in the pinned comment down below. And we recently tweeted something a few hours ago. And what you can see here, that's very important. We have to keep that in mind. I mean, guys, Bitcoin is again up since the 1st of January, 22%. Look at the S&P 500, which Donald Trump is basically praising so heavily, 2.8%. That sounds boring, right? Gold, 2.6%, Peter Schiff. Nasdaq, 1.8%. And silver, even, I mean, silver might be a good buy, right? But it's down. So Bitcoin, once again, like nearly 11 years in a row, it's outperforming everything. But if you are looking to the mainstream media, that's not the picture you are getting, guys. So definitely make sure you are subscribing here to our channel. And also, for everyone watching right now, you know we always talk about this $90 giveaway. Well, right now for all the big traders, if you are a big and experienced trader out there, make sure you watch now very closely, because Bybit has a $300 giveaway. As you can see right here, all you have to do is you go down in the pinned comment, you click on that link, make sure you go down to the pinned comment and you click that specific link, and after one Bitcoin deposit, you get a $300 completely free giveaway bonus after your deposit. You can use that, you can trade with it, and you can definitely also withdraw the profits from that trade. So definitely go down, click the link, make sure you get that bonus, but only if you are a big and experienced trader. Oh guys, by the way, I wanted to show you something. You know we are here at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, in this city of Donald Trump and Greta Thunberg. And look at the views here. It's just amazing. Wow, I mean, this is so beautiful. Just wanted to share that with you. And also we have a very prominent guy right here making some work. Carl? All right, guys. Thank you everyone for watching, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.